Well, I think 2024 will be kind of a whipsaw year. I mean, the uh, the um, the developments we have seen for the last couple of months here, or the last quarter, I would say, we should see that continue into 2024. I think that the stock market will be, now we have a small pullback for the last couple of days here, but that's really nothing in my book. But the stock market, crypto market, so on should keep moving up higher. Bitcoin should reach 100,000, 150,000, maybe even, and we should also see S&P reaching 6,100, which has been my target since I think a year and a half ago. All these things are still playing out. So to me, there's no changes. This is the blow off top. This is the business cycle that is coming to an end. It was not at an end a year ago, which was very, very clear to me. And now we are getting closer to that, and that's why I expect it'll be something of a whipsaw year, because when we get to the middle of this year, I think we will see a change from this very bullish environment to actually the outright opposite, and I think we're going to see a crash into the last part of the year.